What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, guys, we're going to check out a really nice hype sneaker, streetwear, and toy shop over at Quezon City. It's actually hidden in plain sight because it's just along EDSA. Let's check it out. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to draw the winner for the New Balance 997 series sneaker. And we are going to announce a new giveaway soon. So make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, and make sure that you hit the notification bell. Oh, and click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Sneakers, toys, two things that I love very much, as you guys can tell from the content that I pump out on this channel. We just did like an unboxing of my Grail figure over there, which is Vegeta from Imagine Vegeta from Chume. And apart from that, I also have a pretty good collection of Attack on Titan like figures, as well as Naruto. Now those are like the toy part. Now of course, as you guys can see also, I love sneakers. Now there's one shop here in the Philippines which brings both together, and that shop is called Feed Your Feet Manila and Toy Bunker. They actually put up a shop along EDSA. That's the main thoroughfare, that's the main road here in the Philippines. And I was able to drop by the store to see what are the new sneakers and toys that they had. Let's check it out. I want to hit the ground running with this vlog. So first up, the sneaker that I saw there that really got my attention was the Bape Neighborhood Adidas POD collaboration, which came out in Japan just recently. Now, I actually came from Japan a few weeks ago. I did an entire series on that. I will put a link down below to the entire playlist just in case you guys haven't watched it yet. If you haven't, please do click it and do binge watch. Now, the Bape Neighborhood Adidas POD is probably the nicest looking POD in my opinion. And I've seen a lot of PODs in the last few months. Don't really like it that much. So this one is an exception to the rule. Why is that? I'm just really digging the design. The way they split the color in the middle with the black and the white, with the crossbones together with like the Bape logo, it just looked really kick-ass. And it's one of the nicest collabs I've seen between Bape, Neighborhood, and even Adidas for quite a while now. That's the reason why I'm wearing the Bape Adidas tee, just to recognize how much I love that pair. Now, that particular sneaker is selling a bit high. They're selling it for 25,000 pesos. I think it's size 9 or size 8.5. I'm not too sure. But if you guys wanna pick one up, it's just sitting there over at Feed Your Feet Manila. Now let's keep the heat going. Next up, we have the KITH 4D Adidas sneaker. Now this one has the 4D midsole that I think is very contentious and debatable if it's actually better or an upgrade from the Boost technology that we've all grown to love. I did a video actually of my review of the 4D Alpha Edge. Didn't like it that much. If you guys haven't seen it yet, the link will be found below. Now this one I think is size 8 or 9. I can't remember the exact size, but they were selling it for a pretty high price. They were selling it for 59,000 pesos or a little over $1,000 here in the Philippines. So if you guys are looking for that one, check it out. It's on display, or I don't know if somebody already bought it, but it's over there at Feed Your Feet Manila. Also have the new Nike Off-White Air Force 1 in the Vault colorway. So this is in the loud neon green color, which is definitely going to break necks and turn heads. Now this one actually looks so much better in hand. In picture, it just looked really weird and crazy. But on hand, I think Virgil and Nike actually pulled off the Vault Air Force 1 pretty well. This one, they were selling it for 25,000 pesos or $500 here in the Philippines. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's anywhere from size 9 to 10. Speaking of Air Force 1s, they also have a lot of the general release but rare Air Force 1s, from the all-white Air Force 1 utility to the all-white Air Force 1 to the green Air Force 1 utility and a bunch of other Air Force 1s. They are selling above retail mainly because they are a reseller store. So if you want to cop a pair, they are selling it for a little over 7,000 pesos over at Feed Your Feet Manila. One sneaker that really got my attention was the Pharrell Williams Chinese New Year sneaker. Now that one, when I saw it on pictures, I kind of dismissed it, mainly because there are just so many Pharrell sneakers coming out and I didn't see the real value for that particular shoe. However, I was really blown away when I held it in hand and I saw how nice it was, how great the red was with the embroidery on the upper as well as the boost midsole. Now this one is in size 9 and they are selling it a little bit high. They are selling it for 12,500 pesos. Speaking of Adidas, of course, they have the regular Yeezy lineup there. If you want to pick up the Yeezy Static 700 V2s, they are selling for 28,000 pesos. They also have the Yeezy 700 Mauve, 21,000 pesos. And of course, they have the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner OG, which is selling for 25,000 pesos, roughly $500. So most of them are going from anywhere from $400 to $600. They also have the Yeezy 350s. One is the reflective V2. So there's the reflective static and the non-reflective static. They have the reflective statics, which are selling for 35,000 pesos, $700. They also have the non-reflective model, which is selling for 19,000 pesos, a little less than $400. And they have the frozen yellow, which goes for the same price. So if you are looking for a Yeezy, chances are most of the more recent releases are available over at Feed Your Feet Manila. If I'm not mistaken, I also saw a Sesame sneaker. I just wasn't able to get the price for you guys. They also had a really good selection of Puma Rsx sneakers. They had the Puma Rsx toys. They also had like the Puma Rsx, I think, trophy collection in white. And there was this really nice looking colorway that I've never seen before, which was like in shades of gray, yellow, black, and orange. Something that I haven't seen, so it really, wow, it just why I really want to bring it home, especially since I've been racking up a lot of Puma RSXs as of late. By the way, watch out for an unboxing of a new Puma RSX in the coming days ahead. Puma RSX, all those different sneakers, they were selling for 11,950 pesos, a little over $220 US. If you are looking for Jordans, they have a bunch of Jordan 3s and Jordan 1s, but one of the most sought after one for some reason is the Jordan 1 Origin Spider-Man. So that one, not for me. I don't like it at all. So I don't know why there's so much hype over that shoe. Now that one is in size 10.5 and they are selling it for 19,950 pesos, roughly $400. They also had like the new Kyrie 5 collaboration with Concept. This one was going for, I think, 12,450 pesos, also in size 9. That's a little over $220, $230. They also had the Air Max Skepta in size 9, the Don't Sleep sneaker, selling for 16,500 pesos, a little over $310. Apart from that, they also had the Tiffany Dunks. This one is in the black and teal colorway, selling for 16,000 pesos, a little over $300 in size 9. Now, those were the notable sneakers in their shop. I was able to take a look at the different toys as well on display. It was really a wide range of Funko Pops, Transformer toys. They mentioned that their G.I. Joe toys were selling out fast. They also had a great selection of Dragon Ball Z toys. I actually almost brought home a figure of Goku doing his Genki Dama pose with a giant gorilla Vegeta at his back. So that one, I'm still on the fence of bringing it home, but it was there. They also had like a lot of limited edition or special edition Funko Pops and toys, collectibles from Game of Thrones, and a bunch of other cool, really awesome stuff. If you are also looking for streetwear, they have a great selection of local brands available at the back. One of the brands that they have is one of our partners. It's actually Above the Ankle. They are my sneaker pants of choice. So if you are looking for track pants, if you are looking for joggers, if you are looking for cargo pants, if you are looking for pants that are locally made, that are great quality, that go well with sneakers, you guys definitely have to check out Above the Ankle. You can see the quality of their products over at Feed Your Feet Manila, and you can order and have it customized for your size by going to their Instagram account, link of which can be found below. I don't know if you guys have noticed this really kick-ass Broly figure that's been sitting on the shelf at the back. This is actually the toy that I picked up from Feed Your Feet Manila the first time I was there. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I will also put a link to that vlog down below. As you guys can clearly tell, I am a huge fan of Dragon Ball. I have the Dragon Ball Z Adidas collection, and I am looking forward to watching I am looking forward to watching the new Dragon Ball Z Broly movie when it comes out here in the Philippines, I think tomorrow. So I will be watching that, and I am really excited and I am really stoked to watch this guy get into the canon, the official storyline of Dragon Ball Z finally, and to give this guy much needed justice. So that's actually it for our vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and click the link down below for our New Balance giveaway. I will be announcing the winners very soon. I will be drawing it tonight. I think tonight I'm uploading it. It's a Wednesday. So watch out for the announcement of the winners. It will either be posted on my Instagram account or in the comment section down below. I will figure it out and I will announce it. So that's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.